6-step Zulu spin transition in the back. First, make sure you understand how to do the basic 6-step on both sides. Number 2, complete your first 6-step all the way around. Step 3, kick your leg out and then back. Step 4, switch hands and step under and then over. And then go straight into your 6-step on the other side. Repeat this on the opposite side. Kick out, step, under, over, 6-step. Kick out, step under, over, 6-step. One more time. Kick out, step under, over, 6-step. Practice this transition nice and slow until you feel comfortable, and then speed it up and have fun with it. For more help with the dancing, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.